Listen to this. Metal eating away on metal. You have a noise like that, you hit the brakes, and it got worse. Metal is eating on metal. You may have no brake pad on one of your wheel, so you might need new brake pads, new rotors. Sometimes you might even need a new caliper if a caliper is seizing up and causing the issue. So I'm pushing on this rim and it's very tight. You hear that noise? That's your brakes. Okay, so the problem here is you have a caliper issue. This car's got a frozen caliper. Caliper is not completely frozen, but it's so tight that it's eating away the brake. Sometimes you get the slider here will get stuck because it's not lubricated, and it can cause the problem. So this is moving pretty freely here, and it's going in and out, so I know I don't have a problem there. I can check the bottom one here also, and same deal. There's no problem here. Metal on metal. This is what I heard when I was test driving on the road. Metal. It ate up the other side of the metal on the rotor. This is the problem here. And I believe it needs a new caliper. The piston on the caliper right here might be sticking, and it's not going back in. Shiny metal is rubbing on this when you step on the brakes, and now you got damaged rotor.